Salutations to the spirit of free India.
Today, on the 15th of August 2026, we assemble here to commemorate 88 decades of sovereignty. 80 years ago, India awakened from the shackles of subjugation.
But what is independence? Independence is not merely the absence of change, it's the presence of dignity. It's right to speak, to dream, to worship and to live without fears.
आजादी का मतलब है अपने फैसले खुद लेना और अपनी जिम्मेदारी खुद निभाना। आजादी वो है जिथे इंसान सिर झुका के नहीं, सिर उठा के जीवे।
This day transcends festivities.
ये दिन बलिदान को याद करने का है। ਅੱਜ ਅਸੀਂ ਉਹਨਾਂ ਲੋਕਾਂ ਨੂੰ ਯਾਦ ਕਰਦੇ ਹਾਂ ਜਿਨ੍ਹਾਂ ਨੇ ਆਪਣਾ ਕੱਲ ਸਾਡੇ ਨਾਮ ਕਰ ਦਿੱਤਾ।
Freedom was procured through fortitude and perseverance. It was written in the blood of Bhagat Singh, Rani Lakshmibai, Subhash Chandra Bose and countless unnamed heroes. They did not ask, हमको क्या मिलेगा? They asked, देश के लिए क्या कर सकते हैं? इंकिलाब जिंदाबाद, echo through jails. तुम मुझे खून दो, मैं तुम्हें आज़ादी दूंगा. Thunder from exile. सरफरोशी की तमन्ना अब हमारे दिल में है. Was sung before the gallows. ਅਸੀਂ ਆਪਣੀ ਜਾਨ ਵਾਰ ਦਿੱਤੀ ਪਰ ਜ਼ਮੀਨ ਨੂੰ ਨਹੀਂ ਵਿਕਾਇਆ। They surrendered their lives but never battled their conscience.
Let me recite the words that once inherited a nation. सिंहासन खाली करो कि जनता आती है. The throne is empty for people are coming. कसामा सोचती उस भुजंग को जिसके पास गरल हो, उसका क्या जो विनीत विश्रय धैर्य सरल हो. Forgiveness befits only the powerful. The weak have no right to be meek. These lines remind us freedom demands courage, not just celebration.
80 years have passed, yet the flame still burns in every heartbeat, in every lesson we learn. They gave us a sky without chains to hold, a story of courage written in gold. Now the tricolor rests in our hand today. Will we let its dignity fade away? नहीं, ਅਸੀਂ उठांगे, ਅਸੀਂ बनावांगे, ਅਸੀਂ निभावांगे. Because freedom is not what they did, it's what we do.
But what does emancipation signify in 2026? Is it just technology and convenience? No. Authentic freedom is audacity to articulate truth without trepidation. It is pluralism and fraternity amidst diversity. आजादी का अर्थ है सम्मान, हर धर्म का, हर इंसान का, हर भाषा का। सारा का मान रखना ही असली देशभक्ति। Our predecessors bequeathed us a sovereign republic. It is incumbent upon us to uphold it with dignity, resilience, and unity. Let's take a solemn vow today to be conscientious citizens, to build an India which is resilient, self-reliant, and united. As the tricolor ascends, may our resolve ascends with it. Ansh, today we are going to hoist the flag. Do you know some facts about the Indian flag?
Absolutely, I do.
Then tell me, who invented our Indian flag?
Pingley Vankia.
Oh, great. Then you might know that what is the ratio of the Indian flag?
It's 3:2.
That's great. Then tell me, when was our Indian flag adopted?
22nd July 1947. Do you know what do the colors of Indian flag represent?
Of course, yes. The saffron color represents courage and sacrifice. The white color represents peace, and the green color represents prosperity.
That's great.
Do you know what is in between the Indian flag?
That's Ashoka Chakra.
मातरम, वंदे मातरम, जय हिंद.